The organic chicken company has a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.65, a return on assets of 8.5%, and total equity of $540,000. What is the equity multiplier, the return on equity, and net income? First, we'll make use of our debt-to-equity ratio. Our debt-to-equity ratio means we have 65 cents in debt or liabilities for every dollar in equity. We can then use our accounting equation to calculate assets of $1.65. The equity multiplier, recall, is assets divided by equity. So $1.65 in assets divided by a dollar in equity gives us an equity multiplier of 1.65. Return on equity is equal to our profit margin times our asset turnover times our equity multiplier. We don't have all of these pieces, but we do have our return on assets, which you recall is our profit margin times our asset turnover. So our return on equity is our 8.5% return on assets multiplied by our 1.65 equity multiplier. Finally, we can calculate net income. Recall, our return on equity equals net income divided by equity. With doing just a little bit of algebra, we can see that net income will equal our return on equity of 14.03% times the $540,000 in equity, giving us net income of $75,735.